first 5 miles for me ever. But yeah, Central Park is really cool. It's really pretty. But that was for Chagan. Chagan said for me to do 5 miles because I did 4 the other day. I was like, whatever, can't be that bad. It was rough. But the good thing is, like, I don't have shin splints. I don't have, like, my knees don't hurt. Like, only my, like, quads and hamstrings are, like, sore, but that's because I ran, right? Like, it's not that bad. So many active people here in New York. It's pretty cool. And then, yeah, so don't really know what I'm getting to today. Yeah, I know I'm gonna get some water here in a bit, and then probably a nice coffee, go back to the Sean's shower, and then who knows what we'll get into. But I'll probably be using the subway for one last time before I leave tomorrow. So I was supposed to go sightseeing, but I fell asleep, and then by the time I woke up, it was already too late, so I wasn't going to go downtown. But now I'm headed to the Yankees game. Starts in an hour, but this is your saving grace in New York. The Metro card. It's so sick. At least I think it is. $3 to go anywhere on the bus or subway. Pretty neat. Although, if it's a short distance, you probably should just walk. But Yankee Stadium is like 30 minutes away on the subway, so I'll be using it to go to the game. What, Jackson? What, Arthur? In a second. The subway was a mess. I forgot how much of a hassle it is to leave a sporting event on the subway. But still, it beats driving. So that's the one bad thing about the subway is it gets packed after sporting events. The other is it sucks whenever, they just stop at a stop for a lot longer than they should, so it backs up everything else. But overall, big fan of the subway. But yeah, I need to walk the dogs now, so that's it for me. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open